I'm going to show you my Lilies and Lilac handmade soap. It's made with shea butter and avocado oil and lily and lilac fragrance oil, so it's very aromatic and it's fresh like spring. Hello, Diane here from Vermont Lavender, and today I'm going to show you my Lilies and Lilac handmade soap. It's made with shea butter and avocado oil and lily and lilac fragrance oil, so it's very aromatic and it's fresh like spring, and it's a beautiful soap that helps to get you nice and clean. So I'm also going to show you, this is how I dry my soap for now. I just recycle and I use cardboard, and then I put the freezer paper on top, and I just wrap it around and I tape the sides, and this is how I dry my soaps. And so I have several of them. I have several different sizes. Let's see if I can back this up and I can show you how many different sizes I have. Let me see here. Zoom out. So this is like a medium one right here. And then I have a much larger one, and yes, that is stained. It has like a coffee stain from the coffee soaps. And so I won't show you every single one, but I just want to give you a rough idea of how I do it. I just cut it to the shape of this and the length, and then I just tape the sides. And then what I also do, because I make so many soaps, is I do have a little sticky note of what it is and when I made it and how many weeks it needs to dry before I can package it. And then I just slip that right underneath here, and so I know when I put it on my shelf, it's upstairs in my little soap curing cubby hole, and I put it in there, and then I know when it's ready to package and ready for the customers. So I just wanted to show you that. Then I'm going to release this soap. Hopefully it comes out no problems. We shall see. And it should release. It should release, no problem. It's starting to. You just have to be patient. I did not use any sodium lactate, which is a salt, and it helps to make the bar a lot harder, but it also helps with releasing it from these plastic molds. And so I ran out from brambleberry.com. That's where I usually get it. And it does help out. There we go. Okay. So that came out really nice. Look at that. And that's because of look at the see how the fragrance oil makes it nice and hard and smooth, and look at all the lines right here. They're perfect. So this one came out really well. And normally what I used to do is I wouldn't wait as long, and I'd put it in the freezer and then release it, which is fine. But it's pretty nice to just release it from here and it's not super cold. So I'm going to cut this up. Okay. And this is my soap cutter right here. I did get this from Amazon, and it's just an easier way to cut my soap so they're all the same length and hopefully the same size and weight. And this one I did actually, hold on, this one here I'm actually going to cut the ends with my bevel so it makes a really nice looking bar of soap. And these are little ends, soap ends, and I just usually just, when I have somebody purchase an item or, you know, something like that, I just include this as a little sample soap for my customers. And I need this one too. There, so that's a really nice end piece. Isn't that pretty? It smells great. So this came out really nice. It's like it's in the pot swirl. That's what I did with this. So you can see the nice little lines and things. It's very pretty now. The edges are really nice. And that's the other side. So this one came out really, really well. So I did this, when did I do it? Last Thursday, I think. So it's been out for about at least 4 days. There we go. Oof. Bit of a workout. So another beautiful log. So that's what this is called. This is actually called a soap log. And so I'll clean this off right here. So I just wanted to show you, this is a little log that I made, and I'll cut all these up here, and these are great for like realtor gifts, or even if like I have a business owner that makes well, he builds homes, construction, and so he gives little thank you gifts to his homeowners, just like the realtor does. So it makes a really nice, good size, a little sampling size, in a gift box. So thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. This has just been a great experience, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.